go get him again.
Welcome back to the Robes Away channel. I'm your host Mark, and on the docket today we have a unboxing first impression video on the brand of Carolina Herrera, and this is part of the Bad Boy lineup. This is a limited edition release which was called Gold Fantasy from the Bad Boy line. I believe this was essentially the eau de toilette, which I haven't smelt before in a limited edition gold bottle. Now, I may be wrong. Never smelt the original, so it's going to be a first anyway. I can't help you if you want to say, hey, does this smell like the original eau de toilette? I don't know. I don't know. I do have the original eau de toilette in this Fragflex haul somewhere, somewhere in the box. So it'll have its own standalone video, I guess, maybe. If it doesn't, there's probably a reason why. So let's take a look at this. It's part of the Fragflex haul. Not my type of line. Carolina Herrera in her men's line really doesn't have any standouts. It started out with 212 Men, which was really popular, but people say it smells like cut green grass. They haven't smelled Gap grass, and that's a cheapie. It kills it. 212 Sexy Men, which was also a good seller. It was all right. And then it moved on to CH Men, which was hyped by a certain somebody in the fragrance YouTube, and it was not very good. And then Privé, which was okay, but it's like sugary stuff, right? And then this Bad Boy stuff. It's for kids. It's for little kids. It's sugary stuff that really doesn't have anything to grasp onto. Now, if I'm a fragrance review, if that all sounds correct to you, you should probably subscribe if you haven't subscribed. What are you waiting for? Smash that like button too, much appreciated. And hey, if you are a kid, don't get upset with me because I don't like it. It's my thoughts, right? You do want a fragrance reviewer that actually doesn't tap you on the back and says it's good. Maybe take what I say with a grain of salt, or take it as a challenge and be like, you know what, maybe I'll smell other stuff. Try it out. Now let's take a look at the note breakdown. In the note breakdown, lots of pepper, lots of woods, some super sweet stuff in the back end, tonka, cacao. So like a chocolatey tonka thing, we'll see. It was released in 2022, this one. I don't know when the eau de toilette was released. Nose is Quentin Bisch. No. Well, who else is going to make the goofy, like he's Mr. Goofy Bottle. He does the Lamal elixir. He does the 1 million, like he's the goofy bottle guy. And he does his the Tonka's in there. They all smell the same. They all smell the same. If there's a big heavy Tonka in here, I am gonna be absolutely peed off. Okay, so I love the bottles that have built-in atomizers because they always instructions like don't rip the cap off. It's actually an atomizer inside of it. Yeah. So, oh, she's fancy. Perfect for all gold bottle Instagram picture, right? Even though it's childish looking. Sure, all gold. Built-in atomizer on this one. I do have a few Herrera's lightning bolts from the Fragflex hauls. They were 150s, so they had a cap that would take off, but this one has the built-in one. It says Bad Boy Eau de Toilette at the bottom of it. So let's delve into it. We'll put it on strip first, and then we'll put it on skin. Not a bad atomizer for a built-in atomizer. Not bad at all. Okay, let's delve into this. Bisch. It don't take me long to notice that it's a heavy Tonka Bisch thing. I don't know. Like, the people that buy this kind of stuff, like, do you buy Lamal Elixir and 1 million, whatever one, I think it was the Royal one. I don't remember which one Bisch did. They all smell the same. Oh, there's a little chocolatey hue here, a little bit, like teasing you, but it's definitely wacky over the head Tonka, vanillic, synthetic fog. It's some chocolatey. Yeah, it's a teenager scent, right? It's a starter fragrance. That's all it is. Look at me wearing my starter fragrance with pride. I don't want to spray the box. Look at me wearing this Quentin Bisch stuff. Oh, man. I don't know. Like, you smelt one, you smelt them all. They all smell alike. It just really it surprises me, but it doesn't. But it just surprises me on how Bisch just used this Tonka vanillic synthetic fog in so many recent releases, and all these brands are eating it up. Like, I don't get it. A little bit of bergamot in here in the opening, a little bit of the mild pepper, but not much. A little sage too, but I'm grasping at straws here. They're very, very small compared to the Tonka. I'm getting a little bit of that highly synthetic chocolate. It's not super chocolatey. I think a lot of people say that this is like super cocoa-like. You can smell it, but it's really attached to the fog of Tonka. Yeah, not very good. It's just a sweet bomb of nothingness, honestly. Cool bottle, I guess, for the right person. Just a teenager scent, a starter fragrance. Not very good. Nothing to see here. Collector's item, I guess, with the gold lightning bolt instead of the original. I think it was black. Black and blue. No, it was black. The blue ones are the cobalts. Yeah, black. So, yeah, I guess. No. It's just not in my league anymore. It's just not. There's nothing to it. It smells like a $15 designer fragrance. It smells like one compound, like one goop of Tonka, fog, vanillic, no personality, highly synthetic. And then there's little things attached to a little bit of sage here, a little bit of pepper, just a little, not enough. Like, you don't want too much to offend the little noses that are going to smell this. A little bit of bergamot here. And there's a little bit of a fake chocolatey thing attached to it. To me, it's just too childish. It's just too much. Yeah. So every time these bad boys come through the channel, it's obviously Fragflex inspired that I have to decant. But other than that, nothing to see here, folks. Now, you can find this one at fragflex.com, especially if you want the limited edition stuff and you want this. I'm sure this bottle presentation, I would jump on it now because it's been a couple years now. Probably discontinued, hard to find. Check out Fragflex. You can use my code TFG10, you get 10% off site-wide. You don't have to buy this. You can go with anything. No expiry date on that code either, so keep it in your back pocket. Yeah, that's all I have to say. Now that you're my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. But the only thing people will say about this to defend it is it's going to be teenagers. It might be older men that wear this for fun, playful, casual thing, and I could see that. But if you're really serious about perfume, you want to see, you want to sense development. You want to smell actual tonka bean. You actually want to smell a nice chocolate note, let's say. This is not where it's at. This is very much just, it smells like a $20 fragrance, honestly. You're paying for the lightning bolt presentation. As always, a great import fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. My suggestion, the Herrera line. Go check out the Confidential line from Carolina Herrera, which is her upper echelon line. Great scents there. There's a lot of really good scents. Now, the price point are different, of course, a little more expensive, but way better product than these. As always, thanks for watching. Have a good one.